The genesis of the problem is national government continues to disrespect the constitutional provisions with respect to implementation of policies that they want undertaken by the counties. In our financial framework, the framers of the constitution thought of something called conditional grants. These UHCs were recruited during the time of COVID because there was need at that time to bolster human resource in health across the 47 counties. What should have been done is to give the resources to the counties so that the counties can recruit professionals that they needed at that time for the period for which they needed them. This didn't happen. Haphazard contracts were awarded. People are posted to counties. The counties are expected to supervise them, yet they are not in control of the payroll. When they are not on ground and we want to take disciplinary action, we can't because we are not the ones who release their salaries. We write letters to MOH. MOH will tell us, and it should be directed to Public Service Commission. So this is what brings this problem. And what we're actually seeing here is the CS is trying to transfer this problem to us. Because if the UHCs that are at work are not funded in perpetuity, the moment their contract ends, they'll start demanding that counties absorb them. And all we're saying is, where is the money to absorb them? So we will only do that if there is sufficient increase in the equitable share to employ them at the same rate that their colleagues in the counties are being offered. And as for the existing contract, if MOH has continued to have them in their payroll for the last 5 years, we don't see the urgency of transferring them to us. There's also the matter of gratuity. These people have worked for 6 years. We're not being told who's going to pay for their gratuity, and we don't have the money as counties to pay for that gratuity. And these are the reasons why we have looked at this arrangement and have seen it's not acceptable to us. It's just transferring to us problems which we will not be able to deal with. And in the past, we have accepted certain arrangements in good faith, and Big Brother has not kept his part of the bargain. We don't want this to be one such arrangement. And that's why we're saying, cause the problem, deal with it until you ensure a seamless end to the contractual arrangement. And if you want us to take up those people, give us the money. That's simple.